Hey, I wasn't even planning to share this, but I feel like I have to. So, I'm 32, and I started noticing my eyes were getting tired way faster than before. Like, I'd be on my phone or laptop for a while, and my eyes just felt super strained, sometimes even dry or uncomfortable. At first, I thought it was just normal, screens, work, life. But then I came across something called the Canaan honey trick, and honestly, I was skeptical. It sounded too simple. It's basically a small daily habit using natural ingredients that people have been using for a long time. Nothing crazy. But I decided to try it anyway, just to see. And after a few days, I started feeling a difference in how my eyes felt throughout the day. Not like magic or anything, just more comfortable. Less of that constant tired feeling. And I didn't change anything else in my routine. So yeah, I'm not saying this is some miracle fix or anything like that. But it's simple, it's natural, and it worked well for me. If you've been feeling like your eyes get tired easily too, it might be worth checking out. I'll leave the link below so you can see how it works and decide for yourself.